Hi ladies, Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Yeah, I'm wearing sequins in the middle of the day, but I've got a really good reason for it. Today is my birthday, so happy birthday to me. Like everybody else, we're homebound too because of the pandemic. So instead, we're going to appreciate the fact that we're all happy, healthy, and safe, and I'm going to make my sugar-free, gluten-free strawberry cheesecake. It's thebomb.com. You'll never know that it's sugar-free or gluten-free. It's delicious. So this recipe, along with 52 others, is going to be in my 28-day California Sugar Cleanse book, which is coming out the first week of April. Now, if you want to be on the list to get notified the minute that it's available, be sure to sign up below in the comments section and we'll make sure to let you know when it's available. All right, I'm going to get out of this getup. I'm going to wash my hands and let's make this cheesecake. It's super easy. Okay ladies, the cheesecake has been cooking, not me, the actual cake, has been baking for about 55 minutes. I let it cool and then I let it sit in the fridge for about 4 to 6 hours to solidify. Now all I'm going to do is release the springform pan. This is hungry husband waiting to eat cheesecake. Okay, so you're just going to put it on a pretty little platter. Let me see if I can get this out without ruining it. Yep. I'm living dangerously. Okay. So put the cheesecake on. And I have here just a bowl of fresh cut strawberries, and you're just gonna slice it up and serve. Let me get a plate. Birthday cheesecake. Look at that. That looks so good. Plate it up. And I'll bet you can't wait for this. He has to help. We're stuck in the house. He has to help with everything. And we're just gonna put a few fresh strawberries on this. So good. And you guys, this, like I said, the crust is completely gluten-free. The cheesecake is completely sugar-free. And these are just fresh strawberries. I didn't put any sugar in them or anything like that because we don't need that, right? These are just good strawberries. And now here comes the real test. Oliver is my official taste tester. He gets paid to say it's good.
It's delicious, actually.
Is that good, really?
Mm-hmm.
Like you really do like it?
No, I do.
Like not
really
faking
good.
it just for the camera?
Not faking it, it's really good.
He's not faking it, and neither am I. It's delicious. Okay.
It's really good.
Okay, it's really good. All right, for this recipe, go to sign up for my 28-day sugar cleanse, comments in the section. But if you want any other great recipes, health, fitness, beauty, and wellness, visit me at AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the vlog.
That is so nice of you.